Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can delete a Facebook page. So without further ado, let's begin. To start, open your Facebook page and then just go to your menu page. And then go to settings. And then right here on settings, you can see this search bar. What we're going to do now is to search for delete Facebook page. So we have that keyword there, delete. So just type or enter delete and then you'll see this delete OK's page. So when we tap on that, we have two options to deactivate or to delete our Facebook page. So with these two options, you can choose any of this. If you want to permanently delete your page, you can tap on the second one, delete page, and then just tap on continue. You then need to log in with your Facebook page or your account, and then just confirm that you want to delete your page. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.